morning, guys. So today I'm going to the beach. Yay! Finally. Yeah, so the weather is fine today. It's kind of windy, but it's not raining. So yeah, push na natin tong pagbi-beach na to because I'm really looking forward to it. Like sabi ko dun sa colleague ko, the first thing that I'm gonna do sa Christmas vacation namin is to go to the beach. Like, have some quiet time, have some alone time. So, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Okay, see you later.
아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야 We'll be back 멀리
Let's slow down. Masyado tayong nag-enjoy sa pag-drive. Let's give smiles to everyone kasi right? Because it's a good morning, it's a good weather. Favorites. Heartbreak song. You won't see me crying like it used to. So bad. So it's all we did. I used to think that I was tough, but I was the This was true. Thank you, Lord. Should I wear this? Or I'm gonna wear my what's that? What's that? Or should I wear my what's that? Wala na nga. Or should I wear my snap eyeglass, which is missing right now? Should I wear this? Or this? Or none? None na lang muna. None na lang muna. Na-achieve ko din yung beach time. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. We made it to the beach. Okay, so we're here in Bonnie Moon Beach Club. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna order coffee and some pastries. So let's story time over coffee and beach. So, have you ever been complimented by a kid? So yeah, there's this one time I was in the office. I was wearing my uniform, and there came in a customer who came to pick up some signs, and then she was with her little kid. She's around 5 to 6 years old, I'm not sure, but yeah, and she was looking at me while I was processing their payment. And yeah, out of the blue, sabi niya sa akin is, "You look nice." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." And then after a while, she said, "You look pretty." And I was like, "Oh, thank you so much. You look pretty too." So yeah, I think pag bata, yung nagko-compliment sa'yo, like it's on another level, like it's top tier, and it's pure, it's innocent, and it's genuine. Like, the whole day I was smiling like walang nakasira ng araw ko that day. Even if there are customers that came in na parang bad trip sila, it's like not anyone is gonna ruin my mood because the little kid says I'm pretty and nice. So yeah, that's some sun. I'm a bit shy pa rin to speak in front of the camera, like, syempre in public. But yeah, one of my friends told me or suggested, we're open to comments and suggestions via DMs. But yeah, when I uploaded my recent vlog, his comment was for me to speak naman to the vlog. So here I am, conquering my shyness in public and speaking to the camera. But yeah, hopefully naririnig mo ako. So ayan, T, nagsasalita na ako sa vlog. Now we're off to somewhere to buy a gift or like gifts for my monito, for my monita. So, let's G. Let's G. Okay, so mission accomplished. I bought a coffee for my friend, so I'm gonna deliver this to her. I'm so sweet, I know. Shout out. Okay, so mission accomplished na. Si ate yung girl. Haggard na, nakaka-haggard sa sa supermarket. Ang dami. It's been a minute, guys. So yeah, let's drink water first before anything else. So yeah, this afternoon after I ate my lunch, I went to the supermarket to do some groceries. And after that, I went to some shop where I bought the gifts for my monita. So, yeah. Well, hindi na naman nasunod yung to buy list ko. So, may to buy list. Yeah, but my to buy list is lip balms, chocolates, alcohol, bathroom tissue, laundry detergent, fabric softener, and fruit dark chocolate, Starbucks white paste, baby wipes, handy liners, lemon, ginger, sayote, onion, garlic, chicken, bacon or spam, broccoli, and cucumber. I was planning on cooking tinolang manok, but sobrang daming tao sa supermarket. Parang sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, well, I'm just gonna grab whatever na yung kailangan ko before Christmas. So, yeah, hindi ko naman kailangan, well, I'm craving for tinolang manok. But yeah, hindi siya necessity. Kasi ngayon sis maghahandaan naman, so makakapaghintay yung tinolang manok after Christmas. It would be nice na humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Yeah, let's see what I bought versus the list. So here.
Notes of cocoa and rich praline. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but yeah, it's medium roast. I thought na naubos na to, but yeah, solid. And of course, boiled bawang and chili cheese cake, my favorite. Then alcohol, essential for my existence. And this is cucumber, organic cucumber, and for gift wrapping. Of course, some dark chocolate.
Alright, so that's pretty much how my day went. Thank you sa mga nakaabot sa part na to. Thank you guys for being with me all throughout the day. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being with me sa beach, sa pag-uwi, and then going to the supermarket, and then sa pag-drive, and then hanggang sa makarating uli ako dito sa bahay. Thank you dahil umabot kayo dito kasi I mean, I'm gonna be honest with it. It feels weird talking to the camera alone, especially in public. I get really shy, but yeah, my friend, suggested na magsalita nga ako sa vlog, so here we go. As requested. So yeah, again, thank you so much for being with me. I'm gonna end this vlog now because haggard na ang atin yung girl, haggard na yung bangs ko. And I'm gonna wrap this pa. So yeah, I need to finish everything. So, para makapagpahinga na. So yeah, and of course, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on my IG. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And yeah, of course, Merry Christmas when it comes. See you guys next time. Bye!